There goes your ring. There.
Ring in the rain.
Good try.
Ooh, it's all wet. Good.
You're probably going to have to tear apart the whole bag.
Try it as I'm going. Whoa! Bro. One.
It's going to
One.
get it close cassette.
1, 2. When I say 3, yank. 1, 2, 3. That's fine. This is fun. Pry it out.
I can't get hold of it. You have to put it out, please.
All right. You got it. Hey!
Yeah, we got it.
It's gone. Those stayed on there pretty tight because those are actually star bits. They didn't come off.
Pretty good. Yep. What do you think the tires out there? Trailer for? Those are actually new tires. Good. I'm not gonna jack it up this time. You wanna hold this end down here? Like cut this off? Always cut towards yourself. It's hard as your knife off. Alright, hold it. It's set. I'm just trying to figure out how to screw it. Perfect. I'm just gonna do a little tip. You want to snap it with a hammer? Better than the other. I lost my mark. Nope, there's my original mark. See that one right there? Pretty perfect.
Cool. I'm sure it'll work. Keyway. Should I put some lubrication in here? Yeah. Oh, show. You wanna help? You wanna hold this? Hold this little U. This little Yui. The axle's gonna slide through it. But not that way, that way. Get it on the bearing all the way.
It is.
Good. Alright. Good. Want to go all the way.
Drive it home.
No. We gotta get this one in.
Alright. Just set.
This is the part. I need to put a spacer between these anyway. Let me find this. I'm just gonna stick. Oh, let's see. For now. Alright, hold this spacer so we can get the keys lined. We need that spacer in there for like good. You want a hammer? Hang on. Missing a bearing.
Got it in the middle.
No. The bearing on the inside here. Hammer. Good thing I got that, put that grease in here. There you go. It's a bearing. Don't pull it all the way out. It's okay. Now, how do we get this back in?
Yeah, I see it. Doesn't have it.
Don't. Damn it. There you go. Alright, where's the axle shaft? We want to go straight up and down. Wait! I'm trying to get it aligned. Make sure it's straight up. No, this. Alright. Now, which way does this go? Okay. Hang on.
Trying to this side back.
Spin the axle shaft a little bit more. No, the other way.
Can't.
Hold it, hold it. Okay.
The axle shaft don't spin. Keep going.
Wait. If I don't put a space in here, we're gonna have problems. Okay. 1 second. Make sure it's lined up. Alright, go ahead.
Should get down lower.
Yeah, nut. Sun goes and threads on this end.
Yeah, you're good.
Ain't real hard.
You're good. Just get on your knees and
That's the trick. So go down like this. And hold the shaft and snap it. Here's your shreds and done. Hold the shaft with one hand and... I can't. See? Moving. All right.
zero line. We didn't put the chain on.
Making it a problem.
You're crushing that little piece. We don't need it, so there can help us. Man, this gets up with their fucking chains on. Yeah. Make sure the band doesn't come out like it did last time. There we go. I would put one of those handles up here for you. I'm on the
That's good. That's good enough. Yeah. That spacer's gone.
Yeah. Space is gone.
We need that to keep that. Hold on to it. Straight. Alright. You ain't gonna hurt me.
There's a bearing in there. Let's say the right side of it. I don't want to use a bearing. Go ahead. No, you're gonna have to jam it. So close. But yeah, it's so far. Alright, try it. Ooh. Whoa. Ooh, table. I'll get that up. Me do it? Yeah.
It's like so close.
You got it so far.
Oh, man.
I just assumed take all this apart. We don't have this fish out here.
I know.
Don't have to deal with the chain binding.
I know, that'd be a genius move.
You think?
Because it's easier to get that in. Wow.
Well, you got the bolt welded in
Oh,
over
you
here.
know what the problem is? I put a flat spot so that this thing's seated good. These aren't all the way out. You can't say that.
Hey, if I am one, I don't want to call myself one.
Don't call it. Simple solution.
Because I am one.
Don't call yourself that.
Why? Because I am?
But you're not allowed to. Stick it all back on so you don't lose it.
Put it in your holder.
What?
Down here.
Right in here.
So you can feel up a little bit like that.
Simple solution. I like the simple. I like the simple tasks. These are fucking hardcore, dude.
Yeah.
These are awesome.
Bend the chain up.
Jeez, it's so hard to get. There. Alright.
I got that little chain.
Oh, I got more keepers. Different sizes. Yep. Of course.
Got a pair of rescue tires.
Grab both parts. See, we want to do this without catastrophic failure.
Like what happened when it broke
Our
the shaft.
nicely machined by hand parts. Oh. Stuck in here. Grabber.
Keep going, it's outside. Like that.
Good. Now I can just.
Oh, we should go for that. Two. Alright, oh, turn it off. Alright. Well, it's hard to get in there.
Fucking hell. Yup. Alright. Spacers back. I lost them. There's one underneath. All of them need to go in there. Because there's like a little hollowed out little spot inside of here that they all go in. Buy it. There you go. Hammy. Hold that from coming back. There we go. Ah, it came right back. Right there. Push it. Push it. Wait. This in here. That is right in the middle. It has to actually be right here. All right. See it? See it now? Bro. Yeah. Hold on. So there is a keyway. It's gonna come through. It helps you align it. It helps you align it on the second one.
Keep going. Keep going. Yeah.
Oh man. Got it?
What's up?
No, dude. Keep it right there. That's the problem. These are really loose, which is great. Glad I put the grease in there. Alright, get the keyboard. See, it goes in so easy. Nice. Keep it. That's why we needed a space. Perfect space. But getting these keepers to actually slide in is another story. There's just enough space to get a freaking screwdriver in there. So I'll pop this in here and then. There he goes. All right. There it goes. Number 2 is on this side. You gotta have grease. 2. No more. Pretty good. Go over just a little bit. Ready? I think I did it. Close. Yeah, that's close. Where'd that bar go? I didn't know a piece of bar go. We got a little bar go.
I got it.
Fucking shit is all in my way. Sit in there. Good. Damn. It's not moving at all. Screwdriver flew away. You got it. Yay. Oh no. You're supposed to go in there. All right. What's going on I'm gonna put my foot up here on the bar, and you hammer that. Okay? Hey! Do I look ready? Do I look like this is a good thing? Good job, cameraman. Alright. Ready? Ready? Okay, go. Want my foot up there? Got my foot up here? No, you don't. You just messed with me. You're gonna be there for a long time, so take your time. Working. Very good.
Oh,
It's moving a lot. It's almost there. This keyway is not wanting to go in. Now it should be. Now it should go. As long as the key is all the way inside. Alright, hammer.
Hammer. Good jammer.
It's sliding onto the other one. Fuck. You're gonna have to do it some more. Go. plug in. Oh, this is good for my injury.
Sometimes you gotta put your foot in it.
Hey, it's working. That actually moved it. Come on. Yeah. There. Keep it coming. Okay. Actually, it needs to go a lot more. Oh, how did it just hit it? How did it hit it like backwards? I swear to God.
Please don't swear.
How did it hit? It didn't go anywhere. And where'd the other key go? Oh God, the other key went in there. How did this happen? Holy shit. Okay. Good deal. But it's getting worse. It's okay.
I just showed the whole axle over to the right side.
There's the keys. Now we need like one more key. We need to go get one.
Okay.
It's not moving. It ain't moving. That fucking key is stuck in there. This is fun.
Unscrew your hey, Alan. Is your Allen unscrewed?
Yeah. There's no way will ever get that shit out of there.
Tear it all apart.
We're trying to just move this back because it's stopped. It's at the stop. There's no more keyway,
Yeah.
and the key's in here. The other one
Well,
for this
needs to go
is
that
in
way.
here.
That way. It has to go that way.
That's what I'm saying. We're trying to beat on this thing. Really, I don't need to hold that.
If you had a slide hammer, it'd be easy.
The problem is, we need to hammer this side at the same time we're hammering that side. This is so screwed. Hang on. Get another hammer. Alright. We're gonna have to hit it like exactly the same time. Are you not hitting it, dude? Are you hold that? You hold the screwdriver. And I'll hit it. Make sure it's actually hitting me. No, it's in a hole, bro. It's in a hole. Okay, good. I think it's gonna work right here. It's at an angle. Let me do this. That way it can sit in here. You gotta hold that. No, you're the hold this.
I'm moving the kill out of the way. Trying to.
I have to hammer on that, you know?
You do it now.
I don't have 3 hands.
Growing out your ass. Where'd the hammer go?
I'm gonna use the hammer at the same time. Dude, it'll work, trust me. Ready? Oh, this is like a bumpy hammer, but it worked. See? There we go. What are you talking about? There we go. One more, I think. One more. Just gotta slide a little bit more. I hope that's not the other one, really. No, I'm gonna stick it in that sprocket hole. It's about to fall out. Alright, we're good. Perfect, that one's seated now. Aha!
Can you get that key out?
Yeah, I got it. It's out.
There you go.
And perfect. You got tons of space. Pop that one all the way in somehow. That's that cool. Do another stack. Or 5. Takes a while to cool. Whew. Let's see if it's even cool yet. Always go super fast. Always did. But it catches up to you. It'll seriously catch up to you. People slow down. So annoying. Why can't people put the straps on the outside? Like, look at this. Oh, that's professional. Me and my brother got this down to an absolute science. Where is that boy? I love this tape though. Because I don't know how they do it, but every time it's wrapped up a different way. It's like, well, they just use the cardboard, you know, they've got. I wonder how many times cardboard gets recycled. Because we don't just throw cardboard away. If you know, it's actually bad for the environment. So I take this cardboard and I cut it into pieces like this, and that's what goes on top of our pallets. Yeah, well, we used to use wood, but you know what happened. You know what happened, right? So I started saving all our cardboard. I'm like, I'll save you guys some money. That's why we have a AAA rating. Just me and my bro. Yep. I'm gonna see if he wants a jobby. You know, we're gonna need a lot of welding pretty soon. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this steel right here for like the frames, engine mount, and rear frame, arms, and everything. I mean, yeah, that's a good enough angle. Because the wheels I'm putting on are pretty big. The tires, just tires, not wheels. Just tires on the back. I might just rob the axle off of my jet ski trailer. You know, while I'm thinking about it, I'm just going to cover these up. Just in case anybody needs a donation. I mean, you're not going to stick a V8 in one of these, but it would be awesome. They look really good. These are really, wave raiders are so nice. So look at how shredded. I'm gonna get a tarp. So this is actually like an 8-foot wide trailer. Oh, that axle is. Oh, dude! I thought it wasn't square for a second. I'm still gonna need a tube, but that's just cheap. That's oil. That's drilling pipe. Oh, I thought that's a tandem axle. Yeah, I'm tearing this thing apart. So I'll use this one. It's just C channel, but oh, whatever. I don't care. I mean, I never even used these, so somebody come get them. And I have a jet ski lift, so I'll put it in the back of your truck for free. Crap. Yeah, I don't want to get shavings inside of here. I've got my own Sawzall, and I have diamond blades for it. They're not even teeth, and it just turns into like powder. Dang it. I gotta wait till tomorrow. I got gas and everything, except I locked my gas in my car because I disconnected my battery. My alternator's going out now. Oh, hey bro, you didn't lock this thing. He shut down the gate, and instead of bitching about that being my job, because I usually let him walk out the door and then I shut it. I should have checked. I ain't checking on it no more. I mean, I know I'm stupid disconnecting the battery. You're gonna say I'm stupid because if the alternator's bad, what does it have to do with the battery? Well, every time I park, I'm disconnecting this thing. Because, does that make sense? The alternator is going out, so it's, as I'm driving, it's charging a little bit, but if it's sitting here, it's gonna discharge. It's a little bit matters. It's actually not that easy to start this car. Yeah. See, I was having to disconnect this one right here and then just run it for a little bit, but it stopped working. It stopped working. I had to pull the battery and charge it overnight. Yeah. So I know it's the alternator. Yeah. See you tomorrow.